here we are, observing a monkey family. Look at the grandmother. She needs help from her granddaughter, to sit down. The others are grooming themselves and each other, picking nits off, and some eating the nits. There's 2 sisters, 2 other sisters, and a juvenile male, and an alpha male. Off in the distance, we hear, it's the little one that was lost. She comes back in, everyone's happy. She's here, she's back. They play with her, they tickle her, they get up. Everyone starts to dance and move around, spin, hands, foot, foot, hands, foot, foot. Oh, it's lovely, it's lovely, it's lovely. Oh, yes, helping up the grandma. Everybody's dancing, having fun, looking forward, and freeze, freeze. Now in slow motion, we're going to change scenes and become underwater. So, there's a line of seaweed. Beautiful. And all of a sudden, some very funny fish faces come forward. And another, and another. And everyone starts to swim. There's little baby sharks, dolphins, there's puffish that puff and then go back. And then they puff and they move forward towards the white line in front of them. Yes, and rocks. A few turtles walk forward and still, and then fish up, swim, turn, swim, down, up, swim, 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 down. One fish. Oh, he doesn't know. Oh, okay, better go down. And now they roll into a school of fish. The lead fish is ready. Her little fin's moving by her side. And she turns around and goes through the group. Low, left, go back. No, go back to the front. Yes, beautiful. Head left, center, head right, center, up, center, down, center. And then she swims. Swim, 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 swim. Ooh, and she's going to swim off. And little fish again.